Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for stopping by. Let's make this amazing one-pot spaghetti with fried fish. Okay guys, so let's look at the ingredients we'll be using today. Here I have some fresh wild-caught haddock filet already washed. Feel free to use any fish of your choice. I have some ground beef, Italian sausage, some Prego sauce. I'll be using some tomato paste. I have my spaghetti noodles here, bell peppers, onions, garlic, fresh herbs, which are thyme, basil, and parsley. For my seasoning, I have some seasoned salt, some sazon, bouillon, black pepper, complete seasoning, and some sugar. So the first thing you want to do is brown the sausage and the ground beef. I will not be using any oil because the beef will produce its own oils, and that's what we will use to cook up our aromatics and the herbs. So once it is brown, you want to add your seasoning here as well as the aromatics and the herbs. Give it a good stir and allow to go for about 3 to 4 minutes. Now in with the tomato paste, you want to add about 2 tablespoons and allow that to go for about 2 to 3 minutes or so. You want to cook away some of that acidity before moving on to the next step. Now in with your sauce and the brown sugar. Now the brown sugar is completely optional. If you don't want to use that, you can omit it. But you want to give everything a stir to combine and allow to go for about 2 minutes or so before we come in with our water. Now you want to add some hot water so that you don't slow up the cooking temperature. Mix well to combine, and this is the point where you want to taste to make sure it suits your preference. If you need more salt or you want to add a bit more sugar, go right ahead and do just that. I will be adding some seasoned salt and complete seasoning to mine. Mix well and allow this to come up to a simmer before we add the spaghetti noodles in here. Once it starts to simmer, you want to add your spaghetti noodles in. Give it a good mix. Make sure that it's loosened and not clumped together. And then we will cover and allow this to go on low heat until the spaghetti noodles are nice and tender. And you want to stir occasionally just to make sure that nothing is burning or sticking at the bottom and everything is being cooked evenly. And this is it guys, our one pot spaghetti noodles are now done. The noodles are nice and tender and juicy and flavorful. I can't wait to dig in. We will garnish with some fresh parsley, and that's about it. Now let's move on to frying our fish. So for the fish, it's going to be super simple. Here I have garlic and onion powder, Old Bay, some cayenne pepper, complete seasoning, and black pepper. Basically, I added a little mustard, about a tablespoon or so, and then went in with the seasoning, mixed well to combine, allowed to sit for about 15 minutes while my oil was heating. Now for the dredge, I will add some zaterains fish fry. This is what it looks like for those who might be interested in this. I used some of that and then I added some cornstarch, mixed the combine, and that's what I coat my fish with. Super simple and easy. Now let's head over to the stove and start the frying process. So here I've been preheating some oil and now we will just fry our fish. You want to place them into the skillet and allow to fry until nice and golden brown and super crispy. And that's basically it. Once they're brown, remove, set aside, and get ready to plate. When I tell you I am hungry, and this was absolutely amazing. If you've never tried spaghetti with fried fish, you need to give it a try. It's amazing. I know it sounds weird, but here you have it, my version of one pot spaghetti and fried fish. I hope you guys give the recipe a try. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support, and as always, enjoy.